Antibiotic resistance is a really important thing to study.
First person to run in the field when an athlete gets injured, it's the athletic trainer.
Students are learning about what each other does. Maybe they're collaborating with each other in the clinical setting and getting a sense of how each person might approach a specific problem or a specific case.
I wanted to help people and I wanted to do something good for the world. That is something that our program emphasizes.
Our faculty as a collective are really supportive individuals who have all worked in the field clinically in the direction and the end goal of where our students want to be.
That might be a person who's more likely to need to be referred. What else in addition could you think of that might be beneficial for a person?
I feel like I have so much to learn from each of the faculty here with the progression of the classes. I sometimes write down little quotes from them because they say something that has to just do with life or has to do with treating a patient or like the human condition of how we're gonna become clinicians and how we can understand and help others to have a better quality of life. We also just then step back to look at the whole person, and that's something that I feel like the faculty here really emphasize to us.
We are studying antibiotic resistance from bacterial DNA of howler monkeys in Costa Rica. There happens to be a decline in the population of howler monkeys. Their climate and where they live is fine, so it's really an interesting question that we're trying to figure out.
You can put your samples in there.
Those moments where you see a student get really excited about learning something, those are the things that make you so excited to come to work every day. And John's one of those people that he doesn't hide it, you know, he's just like, look what I just did.
Her guidance was amazing. She really values hard work and time. It's really motivating to work under her, for sure.
By the end of the semester, he put together with his team a research project and presented at Wayland, and they won a poster competition.
DNA was then analyzed by conducting a... That was a really good testament to our hard work.
Very proud of him for figuring it out and finding his path, right?
How does it feel?
Oh, it feels great, actually. I'm being so serious. This is awesome.
Athletic training involves a lot of sports rehabilitation and treating injuries for athletes. Throughout my academic experience here, I do a lot of anatomy, physiology, biomechanics, kinesiology. So we study the movement and sports in general to understand what are the common injuries athletes face when they are competing and how can we better treat them to reduce the chance for them to get injured or to better treat them whenever they are injured.
I don't know. Let's see.
I started working during the summer in the wellness clinic. There I teach group exercise classes, and I also worked in the fitness floor supervising our clients when they are working out.
Right now, I'm really exploring the policy aspect of public and community health and program development. You go into the communities of people that you want to reach, and you work with them to figure out what programs can we develop or create to target the needs of those communities.
Can someone give a summary of what happened in Lesson 5?
I help out with a group called Junior Youth Spiritual Empowerment Program, and it's kind of like a facilitation for junior youth and just helping them to use their voices and their knowledge to kind of better their own communities. We talk about universal morals and ethics. In our society now, we tend to move focus from younger people, but these group of people have a lot of knowledge and a lot of ideas that we need to cultivate so that they can also contribute to the society. College is an environment for exposition. You expose yourself to so many things, different people, different cultures, different foods, different knowledge, and I think that goes a long way.
Without the help of Dr. B, I'm not really sure where I would be right now.
The support I have from my advisor, the support I had from my Brazilian friends that were telling me I could do it, made me overcome those challenges.
A lot of the people you meet along the way are rooting for you. You got it, and you're gonna be okay.